for me, it's kind of like when a girlfriend dumps you and you say, why? That their answer is not necessarily the truth.
Yeah, it's not you, it's me, right? So here's how you can fix that problem, right? Is you're gonna triangulate, right? Like, why did you break up with me? It's not you, it's me, right? You know, Sarah broke up with Steve because he was too blah-bitty-blah and blankety-blank, right? How are you dealing with that, right? Bring up other companies, right? One of the biggest reasons why people are coming to us is on the retention side, it's not just having XYZ now. Employees, everybody says, and they on enrollment, they're all, this is great, and then they're quietly behind HR's back, not even giving HR an opportunity to make things right, going, I'm upset, I'm unhappy. Oh, by the way, the entire healthcare system, not to throw rocks at them, they're not doing us any favors either, because they're just treating patients like cattle nowadays. How are you guys dealing with that? How are you making sure that not only you have the best plan, but your people understand the work has been done to have the best plan, and they're not blaming you for the inadequacies of things that are out of everybody's control? Right now, I've just opened the door for the conversation to be a lot more skillful. Man, I think that's what's going on, right? When you say you think that's what's going on, can you give me a specific example? How many people have you left? Where did they go? They went to our competitors. Right now, you're having a better conversation. So power questions and power responses are really going to help you with that. The other thing, and it sounds like you've been through it already, but Course 01 ESP, the Easton sales process, right? Because we're getting their attention, we're delivering insight, we're figuring out their current situation, we're monetizing it. Oh, monetization course, go through that. They're all good. I threw a bunch at you there. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.